Hi, my name is Beth Goodman, and today I'm going to teach y'all how to make a delicious banana pumpkin chocolate chip bread. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350, and you're going to grease and line your bread pans. That way the bread doesn't stick. For this, you're going to need pumpkin puree, pure pumpkin, bananas, which you want them to be overripe, and you can use ones that are literally almost turning black. So you have granulated sugar, butter, 4 eggs, and vanilla extract. Those are all your wet ingredients, and then you have baking powder, baking soda, salt, pumpkin pie spice, all-purpose flour, and then you have your chocolate chips and more flour. To start off, you're going to combine your softened butter in a large mixing bowl, softened butter, sugar, vanilla, and eggs. And you're going to whisk them together, also known as creaming the sugar and butter. Next, you're going to add your pumpkin puree and your bananas. This is going to turn out a little lumpy, but that's 100% okay. Next, you're going to take your dry ingredients. You're going to take your flour bowl, you're going to add your baking powder, your salt, your baking soda, and your pumpkin pie spice, and roughly combine. Next, you're going to slowly add your dry ingredients into your wet and incorporate. Once it gets too thick to whisk, you can switch to a spatula. Once your ingredients are fully incorporated, you can take your pans. You're going to need 2 of them, or you can make these as cupcakes with cupcake liners. And you're going to take your chocolate chips and your small amount of all-purpose flour, and you're going to sprinkle them on your chocolate chips and then shake them around. This helps prevent the chocolate chips from sinking to the bottom of the batter while baking. What I personally do, just in case, is add half the batter into the bottom of the pan, spread it out, add some chocolate chips, and that one's ready to go in the oven. This is a good time to wash your hands. Now you're going to stick them in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. You're going to check the bread. You can check out the knife or toothpick. That's just chocolate chips, so they're done. Don't forget to turn the oven off. You can wait. You can wait and let your bread cool in the basket, but this one's being difficult. There we go. You can cut your bread with any knife, but a serrated knife makes it easier since it's got teeth. And this is my take on chocolate chip banana pumpkin bread. I'm Beth Goodman, and you just got served.